Ah! Oh, Jesus Christ, man.
I'm sorry, man.
Always.
I'm sorry.
Did he sneeze on you?
Yes.
Well, it was an accident. I'm sorry. Like, I'm allergic to older people.
Older people.
Yeah.
No, I don't go for that.
Oh, well, I can't help my allergies, man. I'm sorry.
You should have helped put something over your mouth.
Achoo! Oh, I'm sorry. Did I sneeze on you? Oh, I got the flu too. You might want to check that out. I'm sorry.
He just sneezed on you?
Yeah.
Seriously, dude?
What?
Like I was sneezing on people.
Achoo! Oh! God dang, it's going everywhere. Fuck. I need to get some tissues or something. Achoo! Excuse me.
Fucking whoop your ass.
Okay, man, alright.
I am really sick.
Okay.
I'm not fucking playing around.
Okay, man.
You better get the shit away, man.
Hey, we're going.
I'm serious.
We got you.
Achoo! Oh, hey. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, man. I'm sorry. My allergies. What, did I sneeze on you? Oh. Deal, man. What? Deal. It's a film. No, it's water. Where you're on film. You're on video.
It's just water.
It's water.
Hey, we're gonna
It's water.
That
I'm sorry.
that was not funny.
It's a prank.
I know.
I thought you were actually going to come after me.
Psych.
What you? Achoo! Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, my allergies. Terrible.
Come here, you squirted me with something,
You
sweetheart.
got me.
Achoo! Excuse me, pardon. Hey, I'm sorry. I didn't cover my mouth soon enough, man. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that.
You sneeze on you?
Yeah. Out of this whole story, you had to sneeze on me.
Well, I'm allergic to you, I guess.
Do you know me or what? You messing with me?
Well, I know you now.
Achoo! Oh. Did he just sneeze on you? You okay? What? Did he sneeze on you?
All over me, I'm wet.
That's nasty.
Totally.
Oh my god. I can't believe he actually did that. I mean, who does that?
Oh my god.
That's not something you see every day.
No, it's not. Well, hello.
Excuse me. Oh, Excuse me.